at Accent on Hair, we offer a wide variety of Redken products and styling products. We also offer the Redken Chemistry System, which is a deep conditioning treatment for your hair.
Here at Accent on Hair, we pride ourselves as being a team salon, and one of the ways that we achieve this is by doing team consultations, and I'll let Tina explain to you what that is.
A team consultation is where we work together to figure out the best option for your hair and how we can formulate it to fit your needs.